I May Destroy You is a 2020 British comedy drama mystery television series co-produced by BBC Television and HBO. Written, executive produced, co-directed, and starring Michaela Coel, the series is set in London and centers around the story of a young woman who must rebuild her life after her drink is spiked. The series premiered on June 7, 2020. Arabella struggles to remember what happened to her after a night out with friends, leaves her with a shattered smartphone screen, a cut on her forehead, the vague memory of an incident at an ATM. Coel stated in a lecture at the 2018 Edinburgh Festival Fringe that she had been sexually assaulted while filming chewing gum and that the experience provided inspiration for the series. Originally titled January 22, the series is produced by Coel's production company, Falconer Productions. It is executive produced by Coel, Phil Clark, Roberto Troni, Piers Winger and Joe McClellan for BBC One. Coel is also co-director and writer for I May Destroy You. The series premiered on BBC One and HBO on June 7, 2020. Early reviews of I May Destroy You have been largely positive, with many critics praising Coel and the show's willingness to push boundaries. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.